Hi everyone, you're watching which one? What's up guys, Mufusi here. In this video I'm going to compare the speed test between OnePlus 9 and Poco X3 Pro. So first we can unbox the device. Wow, the color is amazing. So now we can unbox the X3 Pro. First we can check the booting speed. So I am booting it. So let's see. Yeah, here I think the Poco wins. So now we can skip all these procedures because there is a difference in brand, so there will be any changes in these policies, so there is no sense to compare these, so I'm skipping all this. Oh, finally now both the devices is ready to use. So there is no recent apps. First we can connect the devices into a Wi-Fi network. So I am connecting both the device in a same Wi-Fi network. So now we can connect. Okay, now both the devices is connected to the Wi-Fi. Now we can clear all the recent apps. So settings. First we can start the comparison with the dialer. Here I think both the device perform same. Messaging app. Here to the same. The Chrome. Here I think the Poco wins. So next camera. Here both the device same. Okay, now we can check the Google apps. So Google. Got it. First we can go with the Google search. Oh. So now we can search hello. Search. Here I think the OnePlus wins. Next the Gmail. Here both the device perform same. Next the map. Oh, here OnePlus already ready to use. So it's amazing. So next the YouTube. My favorite. Yeah, here the OnePlus. So now we can play something. Yeah, here the OnePlus. Oh god, copyright. Next we can check out YouTube Music. Here the same. So Google Photos. Here the same. Next we can check out the calendar. Yeah, here the same, there is no difference. So next we can check out the version, the Android version. So settings, about phone, here Android version. Android version. Yeah, here is it. The Android 11. OnePlus 9 comes with Android 11. Poco X3 Pro. Here is it. Poco X3 Pro also comes with Android 11. Both the devices have the latest Android version. That's all about the comparison. If I am going to purchase one of these, I will go for the Poco, which is more cheaper than the OnePlus 9. But the color feels so good in OnePlus 9, the purple. So that's all. Thank you.